Hello, I'm Callie from the Going on Faith Conference, and I'm here on the marketplace floor with Kim, and we're here in Concord, North Carolina. Kim, tell me a little bit about your company and what you have to offer our groups.
Sure. Pearland, if you can see here, we have our map, is in Texas, and we are in the Gulf Coast, and we're also just south of Houston. And what's really lovely about us is our proximity, and we play up on the Pearland, a perfect pick for proximity and pricing. So we invite all faith-based groups and any group who wants to come visit us, because you can hub in our area and spoke out and see the sites surrounding us.
Cool. Can you tell me about some of those sites or some entertainment that you have to offer?
Absolutely. Besides having Johnson Space Center, which is really a great area, you know, a great venue for people to go to. Joel Osteen is nearby, and Pastor Hillard is nearby, and there's just lots of other different types of museums. A weather museum, the beer can museum. Yes, it's beer, you don't drink it. It's plastered on the side of the house. It's really cool. We have a weather museum. We have a lot of different types of niche fun things to do.
Right. Sounds like a lot of fun. And are you enjoying the conference?
Very much so. It's my second year, and it's been very lovely. Great people, great interactions, great meetings. It's really wonderful.
Well, we appreciate your time. We're glad you're here this year. Have a great day.